Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many home buyers ask us what their options are if they want to buy a house with knob and tube wiring. It's important for home buyers to understand that knob and tube wiring itself is not unsafe. However, the general rule of thumb is that it needs to be replaced in 60 days to obtain home insurance.
Take our lead.
To identify knob and tube wiring in your home, look in your basement and attic for white, ceramic knobs, typically nailed to exposed joists. The electrical wires snake through the knobs to support the wiring strands, and the tubes protect the loose wires.
Take our lead.
According to Networks, the average cost of replacing knob and tube wiring in a two-story home could be in the range of $7,000. It's important to hire a certified electrician and follow building code. Replacement of knob and tube wiring is costly, but it's a good investment.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.